What's up, guys? So right now I'm going to a car meet in Temecula with my car club. I'm extremely not too late. I thought I was gonna catch up, guess not. But yeah, so usually we always go to car meets here in San Diego, but I'm gonna see what the Temecula car scene is like. So I'm mobbing over there right now and see what's up. Alright, I'm like 2 minutes away from the meet. And then I'm gonna see what's up. So I just got here right now. Looks like a lot of us actually came out tonight. I'm not gonna lie, the meet's kind of dead. Look at fucking this BMW right here. Ricky's fastest in the world, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Sometimes that shit is cammed out all day. All you can hear. Looks like we got a Dodge Charger, Camaro, the V8 gang right here, pulling in. Got a yellow Mustang 5.0, the Lava Luster. That shit is loud, fool. Luster Vic. We got a dually. Shit. That's fucking clean. Looks like people are leaving, just a few. G35, STI, BMW, and then we got 86. Damn. Shit. You can hear his tires fucking crying for help.
What's going on?
Watch when we get home, you're gonna see a fucking dick.
Damn. Is that a Z28? Sounds good. So we're gonna be heading out because this shit is fucking dead here. So yeah, it was pretty cool. So yeah, I'm leaving right now, and it looks like there's a Mustang there and a Mustang there. This place says no crowds. That is so funny. Anyways, so yeah, just going back, and then that's gonna be it for today. Oh shit! Oh shit! See Kemaka? I'm so interested what's gonna go on. Oh shit. They ran it. So, a few of us are gonna go out, cruise to Oceanside. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to film. Let me hear it! So we're going right now. I think they're about to run it. So we're almost to Oceanside. I really wish I could film the good stuff while driving, but it's just hard and I don't really have a setup for it. But yeah, we're almost there, just cruising. So it looks like we just got to Oceanside Harbor. Maybe because the pier is closed right now or something. I don't know. Just cruised over here right now. Yeah, it's kind of dark and shit, but ain't no pier. Probably because it's closed, but it's whatever.